In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Questcraft crashing. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If Questcraft keeps crashing repeatedly on any headset that you have, such as a Quest 2, a Quest 3, this could be due to various different reasons, so I'm going to showcase multiple solutions to help you address this. First of all, always start with the simplest ones. You can try force restarting your headset, so hold the power button for at least 10 seconds to perform a full restart. This can help clear up temporary software glitches, and it is simple to do, so this is why you should always restart your headset first and see if it works. If it is still crashing, if it's not opening, or any sort of problem, then update the MetaQuest software. Ensure that your MetaQuest headset's operating system is up to date, so go to the settings or the companion app and update the software there. The next thing to update is going to be Questcraft itself. If you are running an older version of Questcraft, it is possible that you will come across bugs. So always download the latest version, which is going to have the most amount of bug fixes. As you can see, during the time that I'm recording this video, it is going to be version 6.0.0, released on May 31st, 2025. It is available on SideQuest, so if you want to sideload it through SideQuest, you can do so here. Or alternatively, visit the GitHub page. You can choose whichever one you prefer, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that you update it to version 6.0.0, and this should help clear up any sort of temporary glitches that you are encountering. If this is still failing, then you can try reinstalling Questcraft altogether. So uninstall and then reinstall the application. Sometimes you might have corrupted files or an incomplete installation, and prompting a reinstall altogether will give you the proper results of acquiring Questcraft. If all else fails, you might need specific help, so I would suggest joining the Discord server. In there, you will be able to talk to other people who have had problems similar to yours and see what can be done. But in general, these steps should be enough. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you fix Questcraft crashing, please consider subscribing, because as you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.